Hi friends, our surrounding you can see temperature is very high, nearly 40 to 50 degree every places. So we are all dehydration. So you also feel some birds. They how to the drinking to the water. They trouble elbows in the summertime. So when summertime you should be whatever you are placed in live, maybe your apartment, maybe bungalows, so you keep the some water in the pot outside, and any your working location you are keep the one defined one pot, you keep the water elbows. So your surrounding some birds easily can drink into the water, and it's a good for that, and God blessing to us, because they did not speak to us give to water. So as a human being we are think about it.
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can handle it. I don't even know if you can handle it.
Hi all friends, my name is Sabir Ansari, YouTube blogger. वन मोर न्यू थॉट्स, एक और नई सोच, सिर्फ आपके लिए अंशु फिलोसॉफी. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. YouTube channel link I am also here uploaded, this video also available, and should be press the notification bell, show any updated video cam, so you can see right time, and any videos you see the advertise, so you don't skip it full advertise you can see. So I should be income from the YouTube, and this income through I will help to the helpless peoples.